Hello everybody, this is Will, the Spectral Evolver. What I'd like to do now is just provide you with a channel overview, what you can expect, what we're going to go over on this channel. I'm sitting here in my studio, and so it's going to be a lot of music things, a lot of sound things, how to build a project studio like this. So all these things back here and up here I built. I'm going to show you how to do some DIY acoustics. I'm going to show you some synthesis techniques, FM, granular, the classic subtractive, additive. We'll get into some cross synthesis, convolution, so on and so forth. I'm going to show you some of the applications I like to use, namely kyma. I'm a big kyma user. I also have the Hawking continuum here in front of me, so we'll go over some things with that and the tight integration with the two of those. We're going to talk about game audio, Foley, microphones, techniques, maybe some gear reviews. Basically anything you can think of when it comes to sound, getting down to the very fabric of it, the basics, basic parts of the sound, building it up, sound design, field recording, and so on and so forth. So I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll ask questions early, get involved in the dialogue, and we'll see you on the inside.